Carrie Obedzinski, Senior Sales Manager for Times Microwave Systems and Micro-Coax Amphenol companies. And you're watching Real Times, our vlog for industry trends, new products, and everything coax. Today I have with me Phil Lenk, our applications engineer from Micro-Coax, and we're going to talk about a new product that's going to revolutionize the test and measurement industry, AccuPhase. Phil, welcome back. And I see you brought a sample of the new AccuPhase cable with you. What makes AccuPhase so special, besides the cool color?
Yeah, it is a fantastic teal color here,
Yeah.
which of course represents Micro-Coax branding there. But yeah, no, this is our new AccuPhase cable out of Micro-Coax, where we took our decades of cable know-how and knowledge and built what we think is a phenomenal test cable.
Why or what makes this product much better than what's already out in the market?
You're right. So there are other competitors out there in the market, and we're kind of coming late to the game, to be honest. But why would one want to choose Micro-Coax AccuPhase over them? As well, again, you have that decades of know-how and capability in that we're taking all that to build the best cable that we can. And what does that include? It includes things like the stability, the durability, and the reliability.
That's a lot of illities.
One would say we have a license to ill.
All right. And with that, I think we got to go see AccuPhase in action. You ready?
Get to the VNAs.
All right. So Phil, we're at the VNA with the new AccuPhase cables. What are you going to show us?
Right, so I went ahead and got our two cables pre-installed here. They're hooked up to one of our ecal kits or e-calibration, which actually, let me...
And what gigahertz are these?
These are actually rated up to 70 gigahertz,
Okay.
but we're only using a 44 gigahertz analyzer, so we have the frequency band stopping there. But let me go ahead and just finalize this torquing here. And we recommend the use of these breakaway torque wrenches there, because then it helps prevent over torquing, which you might have with typical torque wrenches. See there, so that broke away, so I can't over torque it. So this is all hooked up. I'm going to go ahead and hit the measurement button here. And what that's going to do is just start to baseline what kind of properties do these cables have? What are the reflections? What are the losses? And this, by using shorts and loads and switches, it will calibrate that out of the system. So then after this is all done, you would remove this ecal kit and then put your own device under test, your DUT, in the system there. And then you'll be able to get nice, clean measurements for these cables that are no longer in the signal path, but have your own device there. And then as you hook up the device, take out your device, move the cables around, manipulate them, all the while our cables that are shown here are going to be nice and stable. You're going to flex them. It's going to hold that phase stability, that insertion loss stability. You're going to twist them. You're going to put it in a board, flipping things around. There's all that manipulation, and our cables, meanwhile, trying to be that reliable stability, bendability in there. So again, the cables making that measurement perfect for you. And as you said before, 200,000 flex cycles at least to get you months and years of service out of these cables. Again, trying to get that know-how into the cable and get you a great solution.
Fantastic. We all done testing, or is it going to take a little bit?
It takes around 30 seconds here or so, but when it's done, then we would go ahead and remove this calibration kit, and we could then hook up the cables together to show a nice through measurement. And here it is finished, so just typically go ahead and hit finish, and then we save it. And it has a little blip in there because of this ecal kit there. We would take that out and measurement it up together, and we'll have a nice clean trace through there.
Fantastic. Well, I'm excited to sell AccuPhase and get it out in our customers' hands. And I appreciate your time and coming here and being with us. And thank you for being with us. If you liked the video, like it, please share it. And until next time, stay real.